All right, now we're on to square number 4, and we are going to be doing the minimalist diagonal square, which is super fun and easy again, and I absolutely love how it turned out. It's super simple, it's just literally a line of the thicket color across the white. And it's again just simple Tunisian crochet and a little bit of color work. So for this square, you're going to need about 70 yards of the white and maybe like 10 to 20 yards of the thicket because you're not going to need a lot for that line. So I'm excited. Let's get started. Super simple. So let's get started with this one. All right, welcome back, friends. Hope you're having fun with the Mystery Tunisian Crochet Along. Today I'm revealing square 4 of the TCAL, of the Wild One TCAL. And it is a super simple square. It's sort of like a minimalist square. And I absolutely love how it turned out. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this. Super simple color work, very easy color work to follow. And let's get started. So you're gonna need comfy worsted in white. You're gonna need about 70 yards of it. And then the thicket color, you'll need about 20 yards. Even 20 is a lot, but you just need literally enough to complete this line. And that's pretty much it. So let's get started. I'm going to start by chaining 30. And here we go. 30 with our white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Right, and then we're just literally doing the simple stitch. So we're going to do the foundation row first, pulling up a loop into the back bump of each stitch all the way across. Right, so just working into these back bumps. All right, and then we are just going to do our normal return pass over here. Chain 1, and then we're pulling through 2 loops all the way across. Now in the second row, we are going to start our color work. So we're going to start at the end of the row. So we're going to simple stitch all the way across until there are 5 stitches remaining. So I'm gonna go all the way across and do a simple stitch all the way across. Again, I have a separate video tutorial if you are just getting started with Tunisian crochet and you want to practice a little bit more. I will link to it. You can hit the I above. And I also have a separate tutorial for how to do color work. So now we are at the last 5 stitches here. So we're going to grab some of our thicket. Feel free to just cut a strand that's, long enough that you think will take you through. Again, like 10 to 20 yards should be enough. And let's see. There we go. All right, so grab some of that thicket yarn. And as I showed you in the previous square, the color work square that I showed you, you are just twisting your yarn around like so. When you're joining a different color, you have to twist in the back, go through the next loop, vertical bar, next vertical bar, and then pull up a yarn using the new color. And then you just tighten your twist in the back there. All right, so that is have your brown, but now again we gotta switch because it's literally just 1 stitch in that other color. So we're gonna twist again because we want the white again. So pick up the white and pull up a loop with the white, and again want to tighten in the back here, right? And then pull up a loop into the next few stitches with the white, work the last stitch as you normally would, and then in the return pass, chain 1, and then pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 with the white until you get to the brown stitch, until you have 1 loop of the white remaining in your next stitch as the next color. Then we are going to twist again as we did previously. Just twist in the back like so, pick up the other color, and you're going to do pull through 2 loops with that color, and then again we're going to switch to the white. So twist again. I know it's a lot of twisting, but that's what keeps your stitches nice and tight and gives a nice neat look. Okay, and that's it, and you just kind of tighten in the back there, and there we go. And then just pull through 2 all the way across, and then we're going to repeat the same thing following the color chart. So I've included the color chart in the blog post. You can check it out. Super simple to follow. You're basically working into like a step formation here. So in the next row you'll be doing you'll be using the white until you get to the last 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches, and you will work into this stitch in the next row, and you just keep on going like that. So I'm going to show you again one more time. Simple stitch all the way across until you get to the last 6 stitches. Right, so we're gonna do this the way across. Pick up with the brown and then switch back to white, work white stitch into this next brown one, and then into the next 5. Then you're going to continue doing that across. So I'm going to just chain 1 and then pull through 2, pull through 2, and then pick up your brown again, twist, and then okay, then we are just gonna do a normal return pass. We're gonna continue doing that all the way across until we get to the top here. And so when you have 5 stitches remaining in the front here and you work into the 6th stitch, that is your last stitch using the brown, and then you just do a final simple stitch row with the white and then bind off. And that's pretty much it. And I have a separate video tutorial for how to bind off. I'm going to quickly show you here. Basically, you are going to go through the vertical bar and then pull through the previous loop. Go through the vertical bar, pull through the previous loop. Go through the vertical bar, pull through the previous loop. So you can see that these stitches are bound off. So you just go all the way across and you do that even into the last stitch, and that is how you bind off. All right, so that's how you do square number 4. There are 2 more squares to go. I'm super excited. Make sure you are tagging me and sharing your progress. I would love to see, and you'll be entered in to win the giveaway. Check out all the details over on the blog post.